In this short video, I will explain how you can send HubSpot form submissions to Google Sheets. This technique is particularly useful if you want to make sure that your data is not only being submitted, but also to keep track of who is actually submitting and just for your records, right? There's a lot of different reasons why you would want to have this information inside of a spreadsheet. So what you're going to do is obviously you're going to set up your HubSpot form. So first name, last name, email, phone number, and I just have a random input box here for what's your favorite food. Mine's pizza, but I don't know. What is yours? Leave a comment down below. But what we're going to do is send this information into the spreadsheet. So what you need to do in your spreadsheet is make sure that you have the header correspond to what the actual form inputs are. So again, first name, last name, email, phone number, what's your favorite food? And then once you have those headers set up, we're going to be using Zapier to send the form into our HubSpot account. So you want to go to zapier.com and click on create a Zap. And then from here, what you're going to do is search for HubSpot. If it doesn't come up right away, retype it and it will. Okay, so now for the trigger event, we're going to find new form submission. So triggers every time a new form is submitted. We're going to click on continue. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have our HubSpot account connected. This is a different account from this one. So what I'm going to do is click on connect a new account. And this is probably the same process that you're going to have to go through if you don't have your HubSpot account connected. But I'm going to connect that account and then I'm just going to choose that account and then connect the app, confirm that I'm not a robot. And then I will connect this app. If it allows it, it says waiting. There we go. Okay, so now we have that account connected. We're going to click on continue here. And now we're going to find our form. And it's this form. We're going to click on continue. And then we're going to click on test trigger. Now it's important that you actually have a submission in this form in order to test out your trigger. Otherwise, it's going to fail and it's going to say an error. So you want to basically open up this form and then fill out the input boxes, submit the information, and then you'll be able to test it out. So we're going to click on continue. And now for the next step, which is the action. Basically, whenever someone triggers this form submission, what happens after that? So we're going to type in Google Sheets and we're going to select it. We're going to click on create spreadsheet row. We're going to click continue and we're going to choose our Google account. So in this case, I'm going to choose this account and I'm going to click continue. And then from here, I'm just going to find that spreadsheet. So I'm going to give this one a name so I can find it. And if you don't see the spreadsheet here, you just click on load more since I just gave that a name. If you click on load more and then you type in, it should appear. Before we dive into the rest of the video, we like to thank our video sponsor Cartfuel. Cartfuel is the easiest and quickest way for you to accept one-time and recurring payments in HubSpot. All you need to do is connect your Stripe or PayPal account, configure your payment form by adding countdown timers, coupons, or order bumps, then copy and paste the code they provide you onto any site, including WordPress or HubSpot pages. Did we mention Cartfuel has one-click upsells? That's right, your customers can order more products without having to re-enter their credit or debit card with a single click. But you want to know what's the best part? When a sale occurs with Cartfuel, your customer's name, email address, phone number, and products they purchase will teleport into HubSpot. It's like magic. This means you can trigger workflows to boost customer retention and decrease refund rates. All this and more with no custom code needed. Try Cartfuel for free for 14 days by clicking the link in the description or comment section of this video. All right, let's get back to the content. So maybe type in food. So let's load it one more. So maybe it needs some time. So let's load it one more time. And there it is. So we're going to select fave food. We're going to select the spreadsheet. And now we can see our rows have appeared here. So now what we need to do is just map the information. So the first name goes into the first name. So basically in step one, you're just mapping the information from step one into step two. So last name will be this. Email will be this. Phone number will be this. And then favorite food will be pizza. There we go. All right, so let's click continue and then we'll test and review. And now you see it says a spreadsheet row was sent to Google. So now we can go into our spreadsheet and see that that information has successfully passed into Google Sheets. So the last step is just give your Zap a name. So we can say spot fave food form submission, right? And then all you need to do is toggle this on. And now every time someone sends in a form submission for this form, it's going to create a new spreadsheet row inside of Google Sheets. If you guys like this video, make sure you give us a subscribe and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite food? And also give us a big thumbs up. We would love to have more people like you watch these type of videos so they can learn how they can master HubSpot. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.